So we've had a look at all the trim pieces for the panel cladding now. Let's turn our attention to the trim pieces that are available for the slatted cladding. This is the first one. This is part of the former range, which means it's a second generation capped product. And like all of the components that are available from Ecoscape, it is very well considered, very well engineered and very well thought out. This one comes with a rebate along here, and that's what you aim for when you're fixing it to your substrate. This substrate that we're looking at here is just a mock-up for demonstration purposes. Yours on site at home will look very different, but this is what we're using just to show you how it works. So we've installed our corner trim, pilot hold, countersunk, screwed every 400 millimeters. The way you start your slatted cladding is by offering the first piece up to the corner trim, maintaining this shadow detail here. Once you've decided that you're happy with where it's going, we're going to pilot through that gap there every 400 millimeters and fix it straight through with one of these color-coded screws. Then it's a case of adding some clips, which I'll show you just shortly. So the screw that's gone through here is exactly that. It is a face fixing, but it's a colour match screw. Ecoscape can supply screws to suit all of the different colours of cladding, and it's only used on the first course and the last course. All the other fixings are hidden using these clips. So I've just put another piece on the opposing side here just to show you the effect of the seamless kind of way going on that you can achieve. You can't really tell that there's a corner piece that's separate to these cladding pieces, and that's kind of the idea. It all has a very neat, slick, seamless visual, and that only gets better the more cladding pieces you put on. So the second trim that I want to look at, which is also part of the slatted cladding system, is this. This is an end trim, very similar to the corner trim that we've already looked at. It has a rebate in for you to aim your fixings into. It has two functions. It can be used at the end of a run, approaching a door or a window, or it can be used horizontally if you need to hide the end grain of the cladding boards coming down. For example, if there's a detail above eye line. But I'm going to show you how it works at the end. So we've pre-drilled and countersunk this, again fixed in every 400 millimeters. A couple of notable points about this trim though. As the corner trim, the cladding will be fixed like so to maintain this shadow gap detail. Ideally, when you're approaching a door or a window, your door or window would be pulled up tight to the edge of that detail there. If your reveal is significantly deeper than that, you need to revert back to the corner trim and clad back to your door or window. There is another product that's coming soon in this range, and that is this end trim with an extended reveal detail, which is designed to be trimmed to suit your own individual application.